Shalom everybody, and today we will go through the blues choreo. So first of all we'll go the whole choreo through, then every single part will show slowly, so you will see in the timelines that you can jump from the frequency to frequency. Okay, let's start. So the first and most important part is the machine, which I will show you now exactly how it works. And you think about heel, heel, toy, heel, toy, heel, toy, toy, heel, toy, heel, toy, heel. And flat, heel, heel, pull, heel. Exactly. Faster it looks like. So, and now we will go through the whole first part. We start on the left leg and we go stamp and pull, stamp and pull. From that moment we go on the left leg with machine. Pam, pam, chaka, 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 boom, finished, nothing, nothing. We repeat it. Right and pull, left and pull, machine, nothing, nothing. Then we do the next step with our left leg and it seems like we do toy, toy, heel, heel, toy, toy, heel, heel, toy, toy, heel, heel. And then that my lovely step, pull, toy, pull, boom, and moonwalk Michael Jackson 3 times and closing back. We jump to the second part, and second part also we start with the back. It's all the time 1, 2, 3, so 1 is nothing. We just go with our up of body. What you saw, it's the croix, which I will clarify later. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, and 2, boom, that's it. So nothing, shuffle, pull, 4, that's it. If you will see it from the side, it's gonna be 1, 2, pull, heel, we go, my lovely exercise like heel, heel, toes, toes, heel, heel, toes together, toes together. One more time slow. Right, left, right, left, right, left, and together, and together. Then we move on, and that's what I already clarified. It seems like you do on the left, right, right, 4, heel. One more time. Left, right, 4, heel. Now in between you put shuffle, and it's and with normal tempo it will be exactly. With the front, from that moment you go on the right left, you go heel, heel, and then you jump. If you will sit from the back, you will go heel here, you finish, and then you go right, left, jump, jump. Then my lovely pull. And then we finish it with the stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, kick, change. That's it. One more time. To the front it will look like you're in diagonal, so it's gonna be. And to finish the whole frequency, you just do shuffle with your left leg. So if you see it from the back, you finish it here and you do shuffle, 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 heel. And jump. To the front it will seems like that. You here with your left leg, this is your left leg, you do shuffle, 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 heel. Jump onto leg. This is the second part. The third part you call, that's exercise which we do by our warm-up. Heel, toe, stamp, heel, toe, stamp. Boom, bam, bam, boom, bam, bam, boom, bam, bam, boom, bam. So, now we do 3 times and stamp. It seems like you do with the right, you do right, left, right, stamp. That's it. So all together you continue to be in diagonal and you do 1, 2, 3, stamp. And that's pretty fast. So with the normal tempo it will be, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. There we go. We do it exactly 3 times. Flap, and we transfer our weight, and we do flap on the right, flap on the left, and we do right, left, right, left. One more time. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Exactly. And with the normal tempo it will be 5, 6, 5, 6. As you already see, we go around, so you do a half circle. You do bam, 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 jump, 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 bam. You stay with your back, and then you turn quarter. Right. And to close the third part, we go to the shuffle roll. It means we do all the time shuffles, and we start on our left leg. If we'll see from the back, it's the left leg, and you do shuffle roll. It means constantly shuffle. You do And that's it. For the front it looks exactly the same. So you do first of all that one and then you do shuffle. With the music you do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's all the time on the first count. It's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, pam, 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 pam. And then in between you do shuffle. So it looks. We do it 12 times and then 1. That's it. With the normal tempo it will be much faster. And now we come to the fourth part. So, fourth part, after the jump, you like 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Just normal stumps, you're chilling here. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. That's what we do. Then you continue the same, but you start to pull like at the beginning. Boom. And pull, taka, and pull, taka, and pull, taka, and pull. Also 4 times. And now we go to our lovely machine 3 times. And you go and flat, heel, heel, pull, heel, taka, pull. Bam, 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 chaka, chaka. And the last time. And then on the music you hear it, you do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we finish with our back. So, one more time, everything to the front. You do shuffle roll. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, machine. And bam, 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 boom, boom. That's it. So after the moonwalk we comes to next part, and this is our upper body. So here don't forget Jesus Christ on number 1. So it's like 1, 2, 3, boom, and change with the arms. So only the arms goes 1, 2, 3, pam, 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 and change. Ellenbogen just glue to your body. So from here, bam, you just glue. Here it's around 90, everything is super strict, and you change it. All together, you do open, see me correctly? Right. Open, fill, and then faster, and change. And then, like you remember, heel, heel, and so on and so on. Boom, bam. When we go heel, heel, jump, jump, don't forget that we're playing saxophone. So it's kind of like we do 1, 1, boom, boom, and we hear. We're a little bit around. So remember also with your upper body, don't forget it. So after your, we go heel, heel playing, or the saxophone and jump. So you mix together, like you shift your weight and back. Then this pull up, and then we are just coming back like chilling out with the front body. That's everything that we should know for now. So that's the whole choreo. Hopefully it was clear. And that's it. That's what we have for now.